Now, there are two important updates. The Congress party, which is in alliance with the Aam Aadmi party in the India bloc, has sought a CBI probe, and the BJP claims that a complaint had been registered with the MCD about the flooding at the coaching centre, and the complaint also contains allegations of corruption.
I can easily blame Bansuri ji as a member of parliament. I can easily blame the sitting chief minister who's in jail, which he should not be, chief minister sitting in the jail. You need someone who can govern the city on ground, not from the jail. I can easily blame the MLA Durgesh Pathak and the previous municipal councillor of Bharatiya Janata Party. But what is the solution? The solution is Delhi needs to be desilted. I want a CBI inquiry that should happen about the desilting money being spent by these agencies. Crores of our taxpayers' money has been spent on desilting. Where has this money gone? I would request from your channel a CBI inquiry against all the desilting reports that have been submitted in the court, as well as the funds that are being released. All this money has been taken away by these corrupt politicians and bureaucrats who have completely ruined our city.
My colleague Sagrika joins us with the details of the two demands that have come in. One is the Congress, of course, seeking a CBI probe, while the BJP says that a complaint had been registered against the MCD, including allegations of corruption. Sagrika.
Pratibha, there are leaders of the Bharatiya Janata Party who are tweeting the screenshot of a complaint that was filed with the grievance cell of the Delhi government. And if you just read the complaint, you will know the gravity of the situation, in old Rajinder Nagar. Now, this has been tweeted by Kapil Mishra. He goes on to say on the 26th of June, students had written to the MCD and in their complaint, they had said that MCD has embezzled the money and there is a possibility of a big accident. And then he puts out this entire, what seems to be like a screenshot. But what is important is the content of the complaint that was filed by a person called Kishore Singh Kushwaha. We are getting to know he's not a student, but he filed a complaint on the 26th of June, that is 1 month ago, and this was received by a ministry or a department of the Delhi government. He says, Namaskar, मैं किशोर सिंह कुशवाहा निवासी करोल बाग तथा राउस IAS द्वारा बेसमेंट में परमिशन न होते हुए भी बिना NOC के क्लासरूम संचालित कर रहे हैं, जिसकी लोकेशन ओल्ड राजेंद्र नगर है, करोल बाग नई दिल्ली एवं टेस्ट कक्षालय संचालित कर रहे हैं, जिसमें विद्यार्थियों एवं स्टाफ के जीवन को खतरा बना हुआ है और कोई बड़ी दुर्घटना होने की संभावना है। अतः इस संबंध में संबंधित संस्था को सूचित कर किया तो उन्होंने कहा उसका पैसा दिल्ली नगर निगम कमिश्नर को जाता है तथा इस प्रकार के MCD के भ्रष्टाचार का एक बड़ा उदाहरण दिखाई देता है। श्रीमान जी से विनम्र अनुरोध है कि इस प्रकार के बड़े बड़े UPSC के कोचिंग संस्थान जो विद्यार्थियों का जीवन दांव पर लगाकर अवैध जगह पर कक्षा संचालित कर रहे हैं, उन पर कड़ी कार्रवाई हो तो आपकी अति कृपा होगी। धन्यवाद। So just imagine, I'm just going to do a quick translation of what this complaint means. Now, Kishore Singh Kushwaha on the 26th of June wrote to the grievance cell of the Delhi government, and he highlighted that, and he named the same coaching institute, Pratibha. He spoke about Rao's IAS coaching, and he said that a coaching center like this is running running classes in the basement illegally. This is going to affect the lives. This is putting the lives of the staff and the students, in jeopardy. A big accident can happen, and you must take note of what's happening. He also goes on to say that when the institute was in fact told about this, they said that the commissioner or people involved, MCD authorities involved, have taken money, and that's the part of the complaint. And he says this exposes the corruption in the system. So a citizen a month ago speaks about this very coaching institution, highlights the same, the same problem because of which 3 lives have been lost today.